Hey history buffs, welcome back. Today we're diving into the complex and controversial life of Muhammad Amin al-Husseini, the Grand Mufti of Jerusalem. Born into a wealthy land-owning family in southern Palestine near Jerusalem, al-Husseini grew up in a time of immense change. Early 20th century Palestine was under Ottoman rule and later came under British control after World War I. In 1921, at just 26 years old, al-Husseini was appointed as the Grand Mufti of Palestine by British High Commissioner Herbert Samuel, despite his lack of qualifications and popular support. The British even enhanced his title to give him more authority. Al-Husseini's rise to power coincided with the Balfour Declaration of 1917, in which the British government favored the establishment of a Jewish homeland in Palestine. This move, which largely ignored the Arab population, was seen by al-Husseini as a betrayal. In 1936, al-Husseini led the Arab revolt against British rule and increased Jewish immigration. The revolt was crushed by the British, leading to thousands of Arab deaths and al-Husseini fleeing Palestine. He moved to Syria, then Iraq, and eventually ended up in Berlin during World War II. In Berlin, al-Husseini met Adolf Hitler and other high-ranking Nazi officials. He sought their support for Arab independence and collaborated with them in various ways, including making radio broadcasts supporting the Axis powers and inciting violence against Jews. One of the most controversial aspects of al-Husseini's life was his awareness of the Holocaust. In 1943, Heinrich Himmler informed him of the extermination of 3 million Jews, and al-Husseini continued to support Nazi policies. He even helped establish the 13th Waffen-SS Mountain Division composed of Bosnian Muslims. After the war, al-Husseini avoided the Nuremberg trials and found refuge in Egypt. He continued to influence Middle Eastern politics until his death in 1974 in Beirut. Al-Husseini's legacy remains deeply divisive. Some view him as a nationalist fighting for his people's rights, while others condemn his collaboration with the Nazis and incitement of violence against Jews. So what do you think? Was al-Husseini a nationalist hero, a criminal collaborator, or something in between? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into history's most complex figures. Thanks for watching.